Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you the module I've used for my USSTYLE headlights and also how I fitted it. Before the USSTYLE headlights I had the normal side lights, which on my car looks like this. Then the first module I fitted was back in February 2019 and I had the side lights on as well, so the headlights were like this. Since then, a lot of people ask me how did I do it, what did I use to send some links over, and now that that module stopped working, I found the opportunity to make a video and show you how I did it. There's a few ways I know you can get that done. One of them is you can plug a diagnostic machine and through some settings you can change it and turn them on. Second way will be the module that I'm going to show you today. Third way, on some older cars you can just cut the wires and just join the indicator with the side light. And another way, on some cars like BMWs, when you remove the side light the indicators come on straight away. There might be other ways, but these are the ones I know. If you know any other ways, just let me know down in the comments. But before we get there, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, check the rest of my videos, find me on Instagram, Facebook and now on TikTok as well. All the links down below. So that's how the module looks. Just got 3 cables. 2 of them go on the positive of the indicator and 1 of them goes to the positive of the side light. You can still use a side light, but it's up to you. Personally, I've removed my side lights because I didn't like the way they look. Quite an easy process. The first time might be a bit difficult, but personally I've done it a few times because my module stopped working I think two times, so I had to fix it and make it work. This time I couldn't do anything, so I just had to buy a new one. Also, another thing you might notice, you might have to change your indicator bulbs more often because they're gonna stay on all the time. Now that you know what I've used, let me show you how to fit it. So as you can see, this is the old module. So yeah, this is the old module. I mean, I've tried to fix it a couple of times. As you can see, it's completely knackered. I've tried to solder it. It did work, but now it's completely gone. So what I want to do here is I want to extend these cables. This one is right. Just gonna extend these 2. So yeah, as you can see, this is my indicator and this is the positive. And this is the other positive, so you cut the positive and then here is my side light, my positive on the side light. So what you do, these 2, they're gonna go on the positive of the side of the indicator, and the blue one goes on the side light. So what I might do as well, I'm going to take that off. That's it, that's better. Yeah, so what I did, I've extended the positive from the indicator, so I can work easy on it. And what I might extend this one as well. So now what we've got here, we've got the positive from the side light, and we've got the positive of the indicator. And now we go to the module. So on the diagram is showing that the blue goes on the positive from the side light, and the other two, one goes here and one goes here. You can see the diagram as well. I'm gonna test it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just plug this in here. So always test it before you put it all back together. So before you test it, don't forget to plug that in. If not, you're gonna have an engine light. So it looks like everything works fine. So now let's put it back.